Most Utahns can make marshmallow Rice Krispie treats with one arm tied behind their back, but the one with caramel filling, dipped in chocolate, well, wrap it in cellophane and sell it. That is something special. It's sort of what Rowena Montoya did with julienne caramels, and the result has turned into that boutique business. So good to have you in our kitchen today.
Thank you.
And we're just celebrating your success. We'll get to that in a minute, but first, caramel and Rice Krispie treats. It seems like they were just made to go together.
Absolutely. The fun crunch that you get from the Rice Krispie treat, and then the caramel, of course, has all the butter and cream and some marshmallow, and you're ready to go.
You are speaking my love language. I love it. What kind of caramel works best for this recipe, would you say?
You know, you can use any caramel, actually. You want it to be a great consistency, like this is a great consistency. But if you want to create something a little different, like raspberry Rice Krispie treats with caramel, or pineapple, or coconut, then we use julienne caramels.
Because you bring all of those cool caramel flavors to the table.
I do. We have over 40 different flavors of caramel. We actually puree real fruit, we bake that into it.
Wow.
And we just do a lot of fun things with it. So it makes it very interesting when you're making a Rice Krispie treat.
No offense, there's one that Jeff, our floor manager, told me to stay far away from, and that's the habanero.
Oh, if you just, yes, a caramel with pineapple habanero.
Oh my gosh.
Has a little kick to it.
Yeah.
So it's amazing when you're eating it. So you taste the butter, the cream, the flavor of the pineapple, and then the kick at the end.
Wow, yeah, Jeff said it's just hot enough for me, which means I can't touch it. Those are our levels. All right, show us how to make this.
Okay, so first of all, you take your Rice Krispies and you put them in your 9x13 pan.
Okay.
And then you push it down. So you want to put a little water in your hands, not so that they're wet, but just so that the marshmallow and Rice Krispie don't stick.
Okay.
Then the next step is you want to take your caramel when it's just the right consistency.
And what is the right consistency?
This is pretty good, because you want it to be pliable, because if it's too hot, it will actually burn the Rice Krispies. So, and you want to be able to pat it all in.
Okay. You're patting the caramel in?
Yes.
Okay.
You're patting it in. And then I love this freezer paper because it comes out so easy, which I'll show you.
Okay.
So what I do is I sandwich it in between the Rice Krispies, and then the next layer, of course, is your Rice Krispies.
Yes.
And then this is really fun because you can just pull it out from the paper.
Oh, look at that.
It comes right out.
That's genius in and of itself.
And then you have your little toppings. I love to top it, of course, with more caramel because we love caramel.
You're kidding. You really?
Yes. So
caramel goes on top and then chocolate too?
Yes, and then we use chocolate. And when we use a chocolate, we use a, shoot, I'm having a little hard time cutting
Nothing
that.
like the pressure of a camera looking over your shoulder as you caramel in the kitchen,
huh? So, and I'll let you, would you like to try to do
just
that?
Just all over?
Yeah,
kind of zigzag?
we just zigzag it back and forth.
Okay.
And little pressure, yeah.
It's thinking about it. How's our, let's see. Let me try a little bit more. All right, while I'm doing this, I do want to ask you, where'd you get the name Julienne?
So I had two aunts that raised me, and they were amazing cooks. I actually lived with one aunt, and the other one was always there. So
to guide and kind of shape you?
Absolutely.
Is this their recipe then?
This is their recipe.
Oh, I love it. Thanks for sharing, and congratulations on your success. We're going to work on our caramel streaks here.
Okay.
We're struggling with our little holder, but we'll get it right, and we will definitely enjoy it.
Here's some white chocolate, which I love also.
On top. Thank you so much, Rowena. It's great to meet you, and like I said, congratulations on your success. Here it comes. The caramel Rice Krispie treats, layered, drizzled, oozing with chocolate.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Thank you, new friend. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
We're going to post this recipe for the caramel Rice Krispie treats on our website for you, studio5.ksl.com.